Welcome back. Time for Monday's Medical Moment. And Spectrum Health is opening the newly renovated North Muskegon Specialty Care building this week to provide care from a variety of medical specialists, giving patients access to quality care locally from providers they know and trust. Here to tell us more about the new specialty care practice, Dr. Michael Dickinson. Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning. Happy to be with you.
Oh, thank you for joining us. Tell us, what will that new Spectrum Health North Muskegon Specialty Care practice have to offer?
Sure. The vision of the medical mile in Grand Rapids has been to provide everything that patients will need, anything from, in cardiovascular, anything from prevention to transplant. The goal now is to try to bring all of that care locally. And so this would bring all of the medical specialties, everything from cardiovascular medicine to referrals for cardiothoracic surgery, referrals for high-end complex cardiac procedures like structural heart procedures, vein procedures, vascular procedures, and pulmonary medicine into the local community where the patients need them in the Muskegon area.
If I'm hearing you correctly, you're basically bringing everything that's in that medical mile in Grand Rapids to North Muskegon. I'm assuming that's an improvement to the patients in the region just solely on drive time. What other improvements are offered for patients in the North Muskegon area?
Yes, as I said, the vision was, could we provide the state-of-the-art, best anywhere, world-class service locally? And that's been the dream and vision of the medical mile. Now that we have this talent in Grand Rapids, our goal is to improve access to care and make it easier for patients to get into care and to get this highly sophisticated, complex care right in their own community. That reduces the barriers to them. We're able to see patients sooner when we're able to help them and in a way that's more convenient for them.
And what will the impact be on the current Spectrum Health Integrated Care campus at North Muskegon?
Yeah, great question. So some of us have been seeing patients out of that office already. What we have found is that the patient needs are enough that we need more space. And so we're moving into this newly renovated facility for the medical specialties. The other facility is going to be kept intact, but it's going to go back to its original focus, which is on essentially primary care services mostly.
Okay. What about some of the specific services that this new facility is going to offer? Anything that has really been needed in the area that you're really excited that's going to be coming to this practice?
Yeah, great question. I'm a specialist in advanced heart failure, which means that I am passionate about the care of patients with complex heart conditions, especially patients who don't improve with standard therapy. But it also is going to allow us to bring our experts in structural heart, which includes TAVR, transcutaneous mitral valve replacement, management of congenital heart conditions to the area. We have experts in vascular surgery. We have electrophysiologists who are experts in the electrical system of the heart and heart rhythm disorders. We have experts in venous diseases. We're also going to bring pulmonary medicine experts to the area. And then we have a very comprehensive cardiac surgery program, leading cardiac surgery program in the state, and we're going to be providing access to patients there for consultations for what can help them even in regard to high risk or complex cardiac surgery. And so essentially the whole spectrum of medical specialties and advanced services that you would want.
So much talent, so much knowledge right here in West Michigan. Great that it's being offered more conveniently to those on the lake shore in the North Muskegon area. Doctor, thank you so much for the time. How can patients find out more about this?
Yeah, that's great. They can call our number, as you can see on the screen, at 855-7-MY-HEART, or you can go to spectrumhealth.org/in-Muskegon.
Thank you so much for the time this morning, Doctor. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
You bet. North Muskegon Specialty Care Building. Right there is Spectrum Health, 1845 Holton Road in Muskegon. You can find out more information, as you just heard Doctor tell you, spectrumhealth.org or 855-7-MY-HEART. We'll be right back.